In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase Elon Musk meme coins. So what you're going to do is you're going over to your crypto app, and in this video I'm using the Phantom Wallet app, but you can use any crypto app that there is and you have an account on. And what you're going to do is you're going to hover over to the search section, and I'm going to click on my search icon at the top right of the screen. And in here we can see a lot of trending tokens, and we can also see the very popular token at the moment, the official Elon coin. And if you want to buy this coin, you just click on this Elon coin. And in order to buy, you just click on swap. And when you click on swap, you can choose with which currency you want to buy this coin. So I can buy this coin with one of my Trump coins, or I can buy it with Solana. And if I want to buy it, let's say I want to do it with this amount, then you see that I will get this amount of Elon coin, $5. And you also pay a fee on this, but this is the way how you can purchase your Elon Musk coin. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.